10.1 lab is where you take household chemicals and you test them. Now the lab calls for litmus paper, okay? I've got litmus paper here. I'll show you what that looks like. Litmus red. I have litmus red and litmus blue. Here is litmus red, litmus blue. They usually come in red and blue containers, and they're literally red and blue paper. Now, if you do not have litmus blue, any pH paper is fine, okay? Like the pH paper, in fact, we've already used this. This is fine. You can just record the pH. If the pH is below 7, it's acidic. If the pH is above 7, it's basic. Now, if you're using litmus paper, if red paper changes blue, it's basic. If blue paper changes red, it's acidic. But what if it's the same? You have to test with both. If the red stays red and the blue stays blue, that means it's neutral. pH is around 7. Now, I put out a number of household chemicals that are safe. Do not use Drano, the Works, even Lime Away. They're all very, very, very strong caustic bases. Okay, so now you have one. Bases. Drano is a base. Don't use that. They're too caustic, they're too dangerous. So I pulled a number of household chemicals to use for the lab, like vinegar, lemon juice, tonic water, peroxide, alcohol, citric acid powder. I have borax solutions, mouthwash. This is also just vinegar, salt, baking soda, hand soap. You can use shampoo. Any of these household chemicals are fine. If you use something like salt or baking soda, Epsom salts, you must put it in water. It won't register a change in pH when it's dry. So when you do your lab 10.1, make a list of the chemicals that you have. You need to make a prediction. Do you predict whether it's an acid, base, or neutral? Then test it. You may test it with litmus, or you may test it with pH paper and write down whether it is acid, base, or neutral. And then make a general summary. In general, what kind of substances are acidic? In general, what kind of household substances tend to be basic? That's what you're going to do for Lab 10.1.